In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up 2FA on Podia. We'll enable email-based two-step verification for your customers, so when they log in, they'll confirm their identity with a code sent to their inbox. This adds a simple but powerful layer of protection against unauthorized access while keeping the experience familiar and easy for your audience. Start by heading to your Podia dashboard. Make sure you're signed into your Podia account, then go to the main dashboard page. This is your control center, where you'll manage settings for your storefront, products, and customers. If you have multiple tabs open, it's helpful to start fresh on the dashboard so nothing is buried behind other menus. From the dashboard, open Settings. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the sidebar or navigation menu. Settings is where Podia keeps all the administrative controls that affect your site-wide preferences, security, and customer experience. We're heading there to turn on the verification feature that functions like two-factor authentication for customer logins. Inside Settings, look for Security Verification. This section controls how Podia verifies that the person logging in really owns the email on the account. Opening this area will show the options related to login, verification, and safety. Think of it as the gatekeeper that ensures the right person gets through your storefront's front door. Now enable the option labeled Verify Customer Email on Login. When this is on, customers who sign in will receive a one-time code by email and will need to enter it to complete their login. It's straightforward for them and significantly reduces the risk of compromised accounts. Let your customers know they should have access to the email tied to their Podia account and that the code may take a moment to arrive, depending on their email provider. If they don't see it right away, checking the spam or promotions folder usually solves it. This setting is especially useful if you sell digital products or memberships where account access matters. After you've enabled the option, click Save. This is important. Changes won't apply until you save. Once saved, the verification takes effect immediately for new login sessions. Customers who are already signed in typically won't be interrupted, but the next time they log in, they'll go through the email code step. That's it. You've just added a strong, low-friction security layer to your Podia storefront. As a best practice, consider updating your FAQs or sending a brief announcement so customers know what to expect the next time they sign in. Thanks for watching and enjoy the extra peace of mind.